welcome back to the Unboxing Mom again. This is Chris. So today, dumating yung order ko sa Sephora and I've been waiting for this order for 1,000 years already. No, kidding aside. So I've been waiting for this package for almost 2 weeks now and I'm so glad that it came today. So yeah, let's start unboxing this beauty and I'm so excited to see what's inside. Okay guys, so ito na yung box niya. Buksan na natin. So it took me like 13 days of waiting. Kasi I ordered this package last September 27 and it came today, October 10. So let's see what's inside, guys. So again, lots of papers. Okay. And guys, meron siya mga kasama mga freebies. So, namili ako ng mga freebies. Ito yung isa, yung sa It Cosmetics. So, ito yung Confidence in a Gel Lotion. So, ito yun. Another freebie from By Terry. So, this one is their Hydra Foundation. So, yep. It's nice that I get to try these things out, you know, guys. I really love having, you know, these small sample sizes so that it's easy for us to buy next time if we want to. And then another one, this is their jelly pouch. This one is from Sephora. And the last one is Blackhead Peel Off Mask. So, yep. So, these are the 4 freebies that I got from them. So, yep. And this is my order. So I'm really excited with this one. So there's nothing more inside. It's empty. So let's see. Okay guys, so this is what I've been waiting for. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina collection. This is a volume 4 package and I just looked at their website earlier and this is already out of stock. So this is the back of the box and it says here Norvina Pro Pigment Palette Volume 4. This one has like 25 deluxe size high performance shades for professional grade artistry with maximum payoff. So yep. So this is actually good for 18 months and this one is vegan and cruelty free, which is good by the way. So let's open this beauty. I haven't had a new eyeshadow palette for like months already. So I'm really looking forward. There you go. It has a pink box, pink carton. And yay, this one here. It's really pretty. Okay. By the way guys, this is 4,800 pesos. So the other palettes like the volume 1, 2, and 3, they are actually 4,900 pesos. So anyway, this is the back one and yep, it's heavy. And let's open this beauty. And ta-da! So here you go. Okay, so there's the big jumbo mirror. So there are 25 colors here and I'm really excited to use them. So yeah, that's it. This is really pretty, you know guys. So yeah, I think this is worth it. Okay mommies, before I end this video, I just want you to know that Sephora actually removed COD from their mode of payment because of the increase in shipping costs and cash processing. And what I did, I used PayPal for my payment. So when it comes to their delivery, they actually stated that you have to at least allow minimum of 9 days for your parcels to arrive. And the reason behind this is a decrease in flights to Singapore going to the Philippines. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you again on my next unboxing. Stay happy, healthy, and COVID-free. Bye everyone!